Good morning, guys. Today we are going to discuss balance 2-mark questions in the August 2013 previous question paper.
Okay, 6 2-mark question is muscle tone.
Muscle tone is a state of sustained partial contraction of the muscle, where it may be increased or decreased during pathological condition. Tests for increased tone, hypertonia, or decreased muscle tone, hypotonia, for checking the tones are by passively moving the parts of the limb and assessing the resistance offered by the muscles. Appropriate muscle tone enables our bodies to quickly respond to a stretch. For example, if someone took your arm and quickly straightened your elbow, your biceps muscle would automatically respond and contract in response to protect you from injury.
The next question is center of gravity. The center of gravity is an imaginary point at which the mass of the object is concentrated. The symmetrical objects will have the center of gravity at the center of the object. It may depend on the size, shape, structure, weight, and portion of the particular object. In a symmetric object, the center of gravity is located near to the upper end, if it is vertically placed, and the same will be near to the ground if it is horizontally placed due to its height, weight difference, and the weight transmitted area. Center of gravity in the human body. In the anatomical position, the center of gravity lies approximately anterior to the second sacral vertebra. The next question is frontal plane. Planes are the space or surface where the movements take place. There are 3 types of planes: frontal plane, sagittal plane, and transverse plane. In frontal plane, plane which divides the body into equal front and back parts. This plane passes through the coronal suture of the skull. Movement occurs in XY plane. Movement occurs in sagittal axis or AP axis. Movements possible are abduction and adduction.
The next question is movable pulley. Pulley is the grooved wheel, which moves around an axis, and the rope or the iron cable passing through the groove. 2 categories of pulleys: fixed and movable pulley. In movable pulley, one end of the rope is attached to the fixed point and another end is passed through the fixed pulley. The movable pulley is attached in between the fixed point and the fixed pulley. The movable pulley acts like the second-order lever, will have the mechanical advantage. This movable pulley reduces the restricted force into half. There is no second-order lever seen in the human body. This type of pulley is used in the suspension therapy units, which makes easy to lift the body parts. This reduces the restricted force to half and easy lifting the body parts.
The last question: why is high fever contradicted for passive movements?
While giving passive movement, it leads to increased blood circulation, which cause increased temperature. But in case of high fever, patient already have increased temperature due to the presence of fever. So passive movement is contraindicated to high fever.
Okay guys, today we completed August 2013 previous question paper. See you tomorrow.